Hi, this is Jacob from WayToPlan on Etsy, and I'm here to guide you through our digital meal planner. Organizing your weekly meals can be a real struggle, but this meal planner will make things much easier for you by guiding you through the process. It will help you organize your meals, your groceries, and kitchen inventory without making you feel overwhelmed. By doing so, you will be able to eat more healthy and conscious while also saving some money in the meanwhile. I will now show you what is inside of this meal planner. When you first open the meal planner, you will see this cover page. From here, we can go to the index page by tapping the index button on the top left. The meal planner consists of weekly, monthly and daily meal planners, but it also comes with 5 general planner pages. I will first show you these general planner pages. The first general planner is the Go-To Meals. To access the Go-To Meals, we tap the Go-To Meals button on the index page. Here you can list all your favorite go-to meals, for example, the meals that you like to make often and meals that your family really likes. The Go-To Meals consist of 4 sections. You can list your go-to breakfast, your lunch and snacks, and your go-to dinner meals. For each meal, you can add the recipe, the source, the preparation time, and the rating of the meal. Then every time you made a dish that was well received, you can add it to your go-to meals list. By keeping a list of your go-to meals, it will be much easier later on to plan your weekly meals. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can pick and add a few of these favorite go-to meals. The next general planner is the meal IDs. Here you can write down meal IDs that you have come across. This way you'll have a quick overview of meal IDs you will want to try out later on, and your meal IDs will not get lost. To keep track of your favorite recipes, you can use the recipe planner. The recipes are divided into the following sections: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, dessert and other. When you go to one of these categories, for example breakfast recipes, you will first see an overview page with all the recipe names and a button to view each recipe. This works as follows. When you want to add a recipe, you first add the recipe name in the overview. For example, if we want to add a pancakes recipe, we first write down pancakes as the name of the recipe. Now we can add the actual recipe itself. We can go to the recipe by tapping the arrow button next to the recipe name. You start out by writing down general information about the recipe, such as the name, number of servings, preparation time, cook time and difficulty. You then list all the required ingredients to make the recipe. Then you can add the recipe instructions by adding simple directions which you can check off once you are done with the task. Finally, you can add some notes about the recipe for next time. To keep track of what's in your kitchen, we have included the kitchen inventory planner. By using this, you will be able to see your whole kitchen inventory at a glance. The kitchen inventory list is divided into 3 sections: a pantry inventory, a fridge inventory, and a freezer inventory. For each product, you can write down the product name, the quantity, and the use by date. Once you have used the product, you can check it off. This will help you not to waste any food or buy any products you do not need. This will help you save some money. The last general planner I want to show you is the grocery list. You can use the grocery list when you make your weekly meal plans to list all the items you need to buy. The grocery list is divided into different sections. This will allow you to categorize your groceries the way you like. I have now shown you all the general planners. Let's move on to the monthly, weekly, and daily meal planners. First, the monthly meal planners. You can access them in two ways. The first is from the index page. You will find the buttons in the monthly meal planner section. The second way to access them is through the tabs on the right side of each page. In the monthly meal planner, you can write down your meals for every day of the month. The top row that starts with the letter B is for breakfast. The next row that starts with the letter L is for lunch. Then D is for dinner and S is for snacks. From here, you can also jump to the weekly meal planners by tapping one of the week number buttons on the top of the page. In the weekly meal planner, you can plan all your daily meals for each day of the week. You have more space here to write down your meals compared to the monthly meal planner. You can also add a list of all the necessary products in the grocery list on the right. From the weekly meal planner, we can jump to the daily meal planners by tapping on one of the buttons on the top of the page. In the daily meal planner, you'll have plenty of space to write down what you will have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert and snacks. You can also write down the ingredients you will need to make the meals on the right. That's all there is when it comes to this digital meal planner. I hope it's now clear what is included in this planner and how you can use it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us a message on Etsy. There is a link to this planner in the description of this video.